Now, we are going to talk about adding and subtracting similar fractions and adding and subtracting dissimilar fractions. Now first, when you say similar fractions, it means they have the same denominator. Now, the rule in adding and subtracting similar fractions is you just copy the denominator because they are the same, and then you just simply add the numerators. So 1 plus 2, that's 3 over 4. So the final answer is 3 over 4. Now, next example, copy the denominator and then you add the numerator. So therefore, you will have 5 over 9. Next, copy the denominator. Now this is subtraction, so you will have 4 minus 3. So therefore, the final answer is 1 over 7. Now, number 4, denominator is 8, and then you have 5 minus 2. So therefore, final answer will be 3 over 8. Okay? Now, in dissimilar fractions, there is another rule. Now, the denominator, because they are not the same, we have to get the LCD, or the least common denominator. Now, the LCD of 3 and 2 is equal to 6. And then, step by step, do it first on the 1/2. You have 6 divided by 2, let's divide. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And then you multiply it to the numerator. So 3 times 1, you write the 3 here. And then you write the addition. Now, next we're going to apply it into the 1 term. So 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. And then the 2, you multiply again to the numerator. So therefore, that's equal to 2. Now, we can add them. You will have 5 over 6. So that's the final answer. Okay? Now, in number 2, again, LCD. Well, the LCD of 5 and 6 is 30. The same steps. 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. And then you multiply it to the numerator. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. And then you write the addition. Next, 30 divided by 6, that's equal to 5. And then you multiply it to the numerator. So that's also equal to 5. Then you can add now. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So therefore, the final answer is 17 over 30. Now number 3, it's subtraction. LCD of 7 and 5 is 35. So divide 35 by 7 is equal to 5. And then you multiply the 5 on the numerator. So therefore you have 5 times 5 is 25. Then you write the minus. 35 divided by 5 is 7. And then you multiply it to the numerator. 7 times 2 is 14. So therefore you will have 25 minus 14, which is equal to 11. So therefore, your final answer is 11 over 35. Now, number 4, LCD of 9 and 3 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. You multiply 1 to 8 is equal to 8. Then minus 9 divided by 3 is 3 equal to 3. And then you multiply it to the numerator, which is 2. That's equal to 6. So therefore, you will have 8 minus 6. That's equal to 2 over 9. So therefore, that's the final answer.